Let's talk navigation bars. So when we talk navigation bars, we're actually talking about this guy up in here. And we can modify and tweak that as we desire. So where we go for that is once again back to Edit Course. And we're going to look for navigation and themes. Okay, so what you can do as you can actually take as an instructor, make a copy of the default one, and then we can actually change that copy. So if we go ahead and click on that copy here, and we'll go ahead here and say up here, my course, give it a description if you'd like. So now let's look at here what we're seeing here. This part here represents the upper right hand corner of our web page. Now what that's looking at is right here. So if you see here Edit Course, Admin Tools, Calendar, and D2L Tutorials, that's representing this part right here. You'll notice they've divided the top of the page, and I could actually put some links right here. We don't currently because that would overlap on our logo. Let's scroll down a little farther. Course, content, discussion, Dropbox, quizzes, checklist, grades, class list. Okay, that's that main navigational bar that's going all the way across that we see there when we hit our course home. So we can add things and remove things from this. So if I want to take and remove the quizzes, I simply click that and the quizzes are gone. If I want to add, I can add a link. So these takes me to all the major places that's in D2L. So if I want to add a link to a locker, which is a group area for groups, I can click on that. If I want to add a rubric to take me out to the rubric tool, or we could do a system check, we'll go ahead and click on that. We'll click on system check. We'll add those. It's like, oh, wait a minute, I want to put the system check first. So I can actually put that over there like that. And then when we're done, we can hit save and close. Okay, now look here. So this is the one we just did, my course, right there. So now in order to use that, we have to pick it and say apply. Notice what changed in our bar. It now says system check and we added the locker. So that's the navigation bars. So you can actually go through here and customize those to any way you'd like on that. So feel free to play and experiment. You can also change the themes. So you can actually click on one of those and actually change the colors. Or you can create custom links. So these are, if you wanted to create a custom link, go ahead and create a link. So we'll call this CNN News if we wanted to. CNN.com. Okay, we can actually go ahead and say in a new window or in the same window. If we pick a new window, we can pick the dimensions, and those are done in pixels. Most people leave it as the same window, but you feel free to experiment. And if we hit save, so now this will show up in our custom link. So if we actually went back to the nav bar, we would actually see CNN News. And I'll show you here. We'll go back to here, my course. Scroll down. We'll do add links. There's our CNN News right there. I'll go ahead and hit save or add. And here we added CNN News. I'll go ahead up here and we'll do save and close. And look what we put up at the very top here. We've now added CNN News at the very top. So you can create custom links. You can change your nav bars to fit your course. And you can change themes.